Namaste und Hallo, ich bin Ujjwal, Ihr Deutschlehrer. Heute lernen wir Monate und Jahreszeiten. आज हम लर्न करेंगे months and seasons in German language. 6th lesson है ये वाला और 5 lessons are already there on the YouTube channel. Do check them if you haven't checked it. Let's start. So we have 6 important words here in red. Part of vocabulary. Vocabulary है बहुत important है German language में. Let's check them. First one is Monat, month. Monate, months. Jahr, year, जैसे दोस्त को बोलते हैं यार. Jahre, years. Zeit, time. Zeiten, times. So ये 6 important words हैं. You must learn them. Okay, let's start with the months. First one is Januar, Februar, März, April, Mai, Juni, Juli, August, September, October, November, and December. Okay, so 12 months. Let's see this. C has been replaced with Z alphabet. So German में when you move from English to German, there are some changes, right? This word, just one alphabet change, C to Z. Let's see all the words. कुछ changes सब में हैं. आपको ध्यान से उसे learn करना है. Preferably by writing. लिख के याद करें आप. Let's see the pronunciation once again. For example, यहाँ पे देखते हैं first word Y is not there. Januar, right? In German part. So Januar, Februar, März, April, Mai, Juni, Juli, August, September, October, November, and December. 12 months done. Very easy. Just go through the video and you will be able to call all the names of the months, right? Just learn them. Next part, as I told you, is seasons. So 4 seasons we will be talking about. Okay. Word is Jahreszeit and the other word is Saison. So Jahreszeit word is mostly used. Okay. And if we see, as I told you in the beginning, right, I showed you 6 words in red color, if you remember. So one word was Jahr, this one, that means year. Okay, and the other one, Zeit, means time. So basically this word for season, जो season के लिए word है बहुत logical है, year और time को मिला है. For example, what time of the year is when it's very hot? तो आप बोलोगे summers. What time of the year is very cold? You will say winters, right? So same way year और time को मिला के season word बना दिया. Jahreszeit. Okay. So just remember it in this way. All right, now let's check the seasons. So first season is spring, Frühling. Frühling. Von März bis Mai. So March, April, May. 3 months, right? इस तीनों month का period जो है, जो season है, वो है Frühling. Next, summers के लिए simple easy word है Sommer. Juni, Juli, August, 3 months, Sommer. Autumn, autumn is Herbst. September, October, November, 3 months, Herbst. And the last one is winters, my favorite one, winter. December, January, February, right? So all months are done, all seasons are done. That's it for today. Okay, a small lesson regarding these 2 topics. And let's see the next slide. This is about me. You can just contact me at this email address, UjjwalTheGermanTeacher@gmail.com. Information about me is written in this slide. You can have a look. I will not just take a lot of time here. And these are the services that I provide, like online German tuitions and home tuitions, projects, translations, school curriculum, and hobbies, youth exams. If you have university exams, so you can just drop me an email and we can do it, right? This is information about me. You can have it. You can have a look at it. Last, Before we end this video, you need to answer this in comments. Let me read this. इसको मैं पढ़ देता हूँ क्या लिखा है यहाँ पे. So mein Lieblingsmonat ist Lücke und meine Lieblingsjahreszeit ist Lücke. So here I want to just tell this that my favorite month is March, okay, and my favorite season is winter, as I told earlier also. So you just have to write this in your comment. Mein Lieblingsmonat ist März zum Beispiel und meine Lieblingsjahreszeit ist Winter. Okay, I would love to see your comments, right? So just do that, and yeah, we are done for the day. So namaste and cheers.